Hey everybody, it's the Pandora Addict, and I'm here today to do a true unboxing, which is not easy to do, as some of my fellow ladies have shown before in the past who do YouTube videos as well. I got this package in the mail yesterday, and I hadn't felt like doing a video yet, so here we go. And so I've waited a day, which is very hard when you have something you've been waiting for about 2 months. And if y'all read the title of this video, you know it is the new Trollbeads launch that they've come out with. The first part of it for this year. And I'm gonna open it up and see what I got. And I got my scissors. Let's see. So, here we go. And I already pulled the receipt out. Thank goodness the receipt comes out of this little plastic thing. I didn't know it did that. But anyway. Well, not the receipt, the address. And everything's shaking. Ah. Okay. Let's see what we have. Ooh. A thank you card. And one box. And another box. And that might be all. No. Oh, and another box with a ribbon. You see it? It's got a ribbon on it. Is that all? Let's see. Yep. That's all. Okay. Now let's see what we have here. I guess I will open the one with the ribbon last. Trying to think if we should move in. How should we do this? I've never done this before. Should I open the big one? Should I open the little one? Should I open the one with the ribbon? The ribbon's so calling me. Anyway. So here we go. I'll wait on the ribbon. And we'll see what's going on with that in a minute. And I think I will open up the big box first. So, here we go. Are we ready? I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm silly. Tell me I'm silly. I'm so silly. Okay. Oh, and it's all my beautiful greens, y'all. And you can see my camera tripod. Goodness gracious. And you're just going to have to see it. We're going to have to be unprofessional here. Let's zoom in. I wonder why it's not zooming in good. Here. There we go. Oh, goodness. I'm looking like big time, like, this is great. These are gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm so excited. Anyway, what we have here. I can't even talk. These two right here in the middle are the two green onyx. And I have been waiting for these in particular for 2 months. My favorite color is green. as this Pandora Pandas, and I just love it. As you can tell here, I've got all kind of green going on. And this is an older bead. This is a Glimpse of Green. I know y'all recognize it, but I was able to find one that's in my true favorite color, which is like a lime chartreuse green. And this here is the new Bird's Nest. And these are two uniques that I picked out to go with them. That's so beautiful. And I will take it off the ribbon and show you them one at a time. As usual, we will just cut this ribbon. This is probably the most what do you call it? Professional video I have ever made, because I am just crazy for these beads. So let's put the uniques down and let's start with the Bird's Nest, because that's on the end. Let's move my scissors. That is so pretty. Look at the leaves all around it. Let's see. And it goes, and then there's a little branch. Holding it up, or a little vine. And there's the little bird. It's so pretty. Zoom in a little bit more. Oh, she's so pretty. And her nest. Very well detailed. Very well detailed. I was looking at the front. You'll have to forgive me. Like I said, I'm looking at this the same time you are for the first time. So, this is very, very cool. And I'm going to I've already got a bracelet planned for her. Let's see her back. Oh, might want to put it in the picture. The back of the bead. In the front. There's her little face. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, we'll sit her down. And we will get let me get them down here. The two green onyxes. I'm just floored by the color of these. It's like they have an inner glow about them. Do y'all see that? As you can tell, they're go-arounds, and they're green, and they're faceted. And they just have this glow. Pictures don't really show that, you know, when you look online and stuff like that. But see, if I turn it this way, you can see it. And turn it this way, and you can see this glow inside of it. They really do come off with a beautiful coloring. It looks like even it has, I know I'm shaking. I'm not holding on to the rod. I'm sorry. it looks like it even has some type of why can't I talk? Stripes in it is what I mean to say, but that's not the word. Striations in it. It's just absolutely, just absolutely gorgeous. On this one that's on the left here, you can see the lines, the imperfections in it is what they would call. I call them perfections because it makes them unusual. Oh, they're so pretty. Ah, just gorgeous. Okay. And let's see. Y'all have seen this before, but I'm going to show it to you again because of the coloring. And I haven't seen one before anyway. Never realized this is the Glimpse of Green bead. I've never realized before, too, in pictures and on other people's websites how much, no websites, on their YouTubes, how much it looks snake-like. The facets. And it's got all these different colors in it. I mean, that's just so beautiful. I just love that. And on each end, it's white. That's probably what makes it so brilliant in color, is the white ends. I was going to see if I could show you the hallmarks. They're there, but... oh, there they are. LAA. I think it's S925. No, it's 925S. If you ever wondered. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? Okay. Now, we shall open this other little box. And I don't know what's in here. Let's see. Oh, I'm not opening it in front of the camera. And here we go. Take the little paper out. And these are two little, little silver beads I got to go with my, bracelet that I'm thinking about building with my bird's nest. I thought that the leaves would do green with them. Do great with them. And I'm going to cut this one too because it'd be easier. So cut the ribbon. Yep. And pull them off. They're little bitty, but they're perfect to put with a bracelet. They look like they even have like some type of berries or something on them. And these again are called Fresh Beginnings. So that might be what it is. It might be little berries growing on them. But like I said, I got these especially for my bracelet that I'm making with my bird's nest. These are so pretty. But they're very little, if you can tell. Let's see. There's my fingernail. So I'll give you an idea of what size they are. They're so cute. They were only $28 a piece, though. I do think they're worth the value for the craftsmanship and artistry put into them. Especially these little berries. Look, they crawl up the side. That's so cool. Okay. Let's put these down. And let's go for the box with the ribbon on it. So here we go. I know I'm real up close. Okay. And what is this, y'all? It is the fairy tale kit. And it is and there was 2 kits that came out. One of them was faceted, and this one was the smooth one. I'm just standing here looking at it for a minute in the camera because it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I hate to cut the little string, but we shall have to cut the little string. We'll have to cut the little string and put it on the charm bar, and I will tell you the names of each one of these. I'm going to do this off camera in case they try to fall. Well, these are tied tight, y'all. I mean, seriously. I can't get them to cut. Well. I might have to get my little scissors. Here, y'all, look at how beautiful they are while I get my little scissors. My little baby scissors. And see if they work better. See my little Fisker scissors. And see if that'll do. Woo! Jesus. Pardon me. There they all went. Oh, goodness. See if I find all of them. Okay, I am missing one. Where did it go? This is not good. I am missing one. Okay. Y'all will have to wait a second while I look for it. It shouldn't take me but a minute. Because I think I know where it went. Which would be on the floor. Oh. Yes, I have found it. Yay! Woo. Here we go. Y'all come back. And we will start on our names of our beads. Okie dokie. We will start with a green one. And this one is called Magic Bean. And it kind of reminds me of Jack and the Beanstalk. You know how it climbs up and Jack goes up to the giant? Yep, magic bean. And that makes sense because the magic beans are what made the beanstalk. This one's so pretty though. It's a green, but it's a light green. It's got light green and a little bit darker green in it. And the inside, or the core, is white And it just goes round and round. Let me see. That's what it looks like on the end. So it's see-through. Okay. So that's that one. That's the magic bean. The next one is called Siren Song. And it's this one. Oh, and it's so pretty too. It looks nothing like the pictures too as well, by the way, y'all. It has a beautiful, like, sea blue, or it's not sky blue. It's maybe an aqua blue. It's the color, if you've ever been in the Caribbean, it's the color of the blue water there. And then it has these stripes in it that are pink with white stripes going across them. They kind of remind me of shells. And I don't know if you know the story of the sirens, but the sirens were these beautiful women who were on an island in particular, and they would call to the sailors and get them to come and crash their ships ashore. They were evil, but they were beautiful. And it was called the Siren Song. So this is the siren bead. All of these beads have to do with fairy tales. So, and in fact, if y'all want to know, the definition of siren, one of the definitions of siren is a dangerous and alluring woman. I know this in fact because I had a dog named Siren. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's look at the end. And you can kind of see the... trying to get it where you can see it good. The little bumpies on the inside. See? So this one's more clear on the outside and has bumpies on the inside like that makes those shapes. Okay, well this one is Siren Song. And we shall put it down. And the next one is Ice Castles, which is this one. And this video is going to run like an hour, but it's not going to be that long. Oh, and this one, let's put it on the rod. This one has a beautiful blue and what looks like a teal swirl to it. Once again, like I said, it was called Ice Castles. You can see it well. Let's look at the end of it. Oh, you can see the swirls all the way through the glass on this one. It goes all the way through the glass. That's so cool. It's like ribbons. Ribbons going through the glass. Okay, next one is the Fairy Tale Flower, which is this one. which is a familiar shape and style. It's, what's the name of it? There's several beads that are like this. I can't remember any of them right now, but anyway, we're focusing on this one. So this one, like I said, is fairy tale flower. So you can imagine little fairies hanging out, and you see the beads, the little drops of glass in the middle of each flower. And they have several colors. They got blue and an aqua color and a yellowish color, a cream color, a beige color. This bead in particular would go with a lot of things. And on the inside, it looks like it's just completely clear. But definitely this bead would go with a lot of things. Let's see. And it's clear, and all of it, all the magic of this one is going on in the inside too. Okay. And the next one is World of Wonders. At first, when I read the description of this bead, or the beads, the fairy tale kit, and it was talking about the beans, the magic beans, I thought for sure that this was the one that was the magic beans, because it looks like magic beans to me. But as I look at it, now I can see it's got depth to each one of the little circles. And the pink one, I don't know if, let's see if this pink one has it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see if we can get even closer. Let's see. You can see it's got some shimmer to it. I can't. See if you can see it. But they have depth. You see the blue one? How it's got like some depth to it. And this orange one. Yellow one. So you can see it when I do that with this teal one. Once again, this one is called World of Wonders. And it's a lot prettier than I thought it was. In real life, compared to the pictures of it, it's a lot prettier. And will do really good with definitely a lot of different bracelets because of all the colors it has. Let's see the end of it. Yep, all the magic's on the inside. It's gorgeous. Okay, and our last one, but definitely not the least one, is the Enchanted Rose Garden. Now this one is raised up, the flowers are. As well. They're raised up. Oh, I'll get behind it. It's got like a teal background in the core, and a green vine going through it. And it looks like it has some black or dark brown branches. The flowers are pink. And the middle's of the flowers look to be like a mauve. Anyway, it's very beautiful. I highly recommend these. They're so pretty. This whole kit is. Now remember, this is the fairy tale kit. I really think it's pretty. Anyway, let's see what it looks like on the end. Yeah, you can see the core, and then you can see that it's painted on top. That all this beautiful top work, these raised flowers are all on the top, and it's hand painted on the top. It's just gorgeous. So it's absolutely beautiful. So we will put these all together. For y'all. And we'll also put my greens, my beautiful green. And you can see how pretty it goes with the kit. And my birdhouse, my bird's nest. And you can see how big this bird's nest is, by the way. I'm going to take it and put it on the charm rod again, and compare it for you. It is about the same size as a regular bead. So it's perfect, or it's a little bit taller. It's perfect for to put in the middle of a bracelet if that's how you like to do it, if you want to have a focus point on your bracelet. But I just think it's just gorgeous. We can put the, let's see, which one should we put? Maybe we'll put the other flower on the other side. And it's just very beautiful. Very beautiful indeed. Anyway, y'all I have to apologize for being crazy today. Like I said, this is my first unboxing, so I don't know what I'm doing, and I am nervous and crazy, and that's how I am. Anyway, I really enjoyed doing this unboxing with you, and I really enjoyed seeing my beads for the first time with you, together with you. And I'm sorry for the complications. Please come back again. Please subscribe. Please like and leave a comment, and I will comment back. I appreciate all my followers and subscribers that I have thus far. You keep me going, and your likes keep me going, and your comments keep me going. It's great talking to all my friends and new friends that I make on here. So I'll be going for now. Love y'all. See y'all. Bye.